I just wanted to show you the teachers that are all here from all over South Carolina for the Motor March for virtual until safe. So we're all here hoping that they keep all the teachers and all the students and staff safe. I'll take some pictures and some video. Love you guys. Hey, just I wanted to give a few updates throughout this whole thing, but it's awesome. I am sitting in my car waiting to go, and I was impressed with how many cars there were when I showed you before, but it turns out there was an entire other parking lot full of even more cars. So there's a ton of us here from all over South Carolina. I really think there's got to be at least 200 cars, but there might be more than that. And everybody's got their cars decorated, their hazard lights are on, and people are starting to leave. We're parked at the State Museum. It's about time for me to go, so I'm going to get off here in a minute. But there's so many cars that it's taking a really long time to even get onto the road. So if you wanted to check the news, there's a bunch of news reporters here streaming live and doing interviews and things like that. So check it out, but it's awesome. Here's cars going past. Their line is going now, and then we'll be next. So see us, expect us. We're going to be going around the State House and the Governor's Mansion. All right, there's my update. Love you guys. We're going around the State House now. It's a lot of stopping, so I'm taking a quick little video, but going around the State House, and we just passed the Governor's Mansion too. So we're going around the State House now. We went past the Governor's Mansion, and now we're going around the State House. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's a line all the way down and all the way up and around. So got lots of people passing and honking and saying hey to us too. Got back from the Motor March for virtual until safe, the teacher Motor March, because we couldn't be in person, so we just did a Motor March, which was a great experience, and it was awesome. There was teachers from all over South Carolina that came, and everybody decorated their cars with signs and wrote on their windows. We went, like I said, I think there was probably at least 200 cars, maybe more. I'm sure we'll find out on the news. But we went all around downtown. We went past the Governor's Mansion and around the state capitol 2 times. I went around 3 times. but it was great, and we got to show our support for our students and show our support for our own safety as well as our student safety. And so I thought I would just let you know that it was a great experience. We had a lot of support, people waving and honking for us, and we used our teacher voices. And I wanted to show you this. It might be backwards, but this is what was on the top of my car, virtual until safe. In case there was drones or people on rooftops or whatever, I did this. Also, I wanted to say, I'll show them to you, but I was at home and I didn't have the little markers that you use on your windows. So this is my homemade window paint that I'm gonna wash off, but it's made out of flour, water, dish soap, and a tiny bit of red food coloring. But it says, and you just paint it on. I did 2 layers, some of them 3 layers, but it says, I'm using my teacher voice, virtual until safe, which is our hashtag, because we want to be back in school. We want to be there with our students, but we also want to be safe. So we're going to do the best that we can virtually until we're able to get in the classroom, and then we'll do our best to be as safe as possible when we are in the classroom. And then I wrote kids and teacher safety here. But so I wanted to let you know that I made my own paint, and I'm excited that it works. So I'm also have a chance to I'll wash it all off first and then go to a car wash. So I will wash my car. But thank you all for following along on our motor march and all your support for education and public schools. And I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you later. Love ya. Mwah.